Welcome back to Knives and Tequila. Today, we're making breakfast real quick. Total cook time, one delicious cocktail. So follow along as we perfect the breakfast skillet. Enjoy. So we'll start first with our cocktail because I'm not having any more shots for breakfast. And today, our non-sponsored tequila, Avion. And we're gonna have it with ginger kombucha. Can't really say Avion without sounding like an asshole now, can you? So we've got a healthy amount of tequila, and we're gonna use ginger kombucha because probiotics and tequila, well, they cancel each other out, right? Yes! Now before we get started, we gotta preheat that oven to 400. All right, so I told you this was gonna be quick. Yeah. So what's in the bag? That's in the bag. We just cut up 2 bell peppers, 2 potatoes, and half an onion. That's it. And that is our fat loss code for the day, preparedness. You make this the night before, put it in the fridge, you just dump in this skillet, you're ready to go. So with the eggs, we're gonna throw, I don't know, see if we can get 5 eggs on this guy. Oh, we're gonna get one more, we're going 6. Now everything's already seasoned. We got salt and pepper in that bag, we shook it around, so we're ready to throw it in the oven. We're going into the oven for 25 minutes or 1 cocktail. Might have 2, even 3. A delight. And this whole thing, 50 calories. That's a win. Now these eggs, if you want them more done, put it in longer. We're gonna add a little cheese because I want a little extra protein on my dish. Nice little drizzle. And in addition to the cheese, I also want a little avocado because avocados are fucking delicious. And there we are. Like I said, easy as hell. Now you could add, I don't know, jalapenos, cherry tomatoes, whatever weirdness you want in it. It's a skillet, it's a mush pile. I'm making another drink. If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them.